Cafe Regatta, a highly popular cafe known for its picturesque setting and cozy atmosphere. Located by the sea in Töölö, near the Sibelius Monument, the cafe is housed in a charming red cottage that dates back to 1887. Originally a fishnet shed for the Paulig family, it was transformed into Cafe Regatta in 2002. Known for its cozy ambience and delicious treats, Cafe Regatta has become a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. The cafe is renowned for its freshly baked cinnamon buns, korvapusti, blueberry pie, and other delicious pastries. These pastries are a highlight for many visitors. Often enjoyed with a cup of freshly brewed coffee, visitors can enjoy these treats while sitting outdoors by the fire, where they can also roast sausages, a popular activity among patrons. The cafe operates year-round, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere even during the colder months. In the summer, Cafe Regatta expands its offerings with Regatta, allowing visitors to rent paddleboards, kayaks, canoes, and rowing boats to explore the nearby waters. Despite its small size, the cafe is a hit on social media, especially for those looking to capture the idyllic scenery. It's best to visit early in the morning if you prefer a quieter experience, as the cafe tends to get crowded later in the day. Cafe Regatta is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and Saturdays, and from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Sundays. Whether you're looking for a unique coffee spot, a place to enjoy the outdoors, or an iconic Helsinki experience, Cafe Regatta is a must-visit destination.